Hi, I'm Kelly Kay with Stephanie here from iCarpetTiles.com. We're at the Grinstead Furnished Corporate Suite here to talk about a revolutionary new product called TacTiles. Stephanie, first of all, what are TacTiles?
They are a one-sided connector that allows you to install carpet tiles quickly, simply, and easily.
What makes them so innovative?
TacTiles are a one-sided adhesive connector. They do not leave any residue on the floor when you install them.
You can put them together with an area rug and make it perfect.
That's correct. If you have beautiful hardwood floors that you don't want any residue on, this is the product for you.
So Stephanie, say I want to use carpet tiles to make an area rug. Can you show me how to use TacTiles to do that?
Absolutely. First, make sure your floor is swept clean. Then start with 4 carpet tiles and 1 tac tile. Peel off the backing of a tac tile and apply it to the backing of the tile where the 4 tiles intersect. Continue connecting carpet tiles with tac tiles until you get the size of carpeting you desire.
All right. Well, that was fast and easy, and it really warms up the space. It looks great in here.
It does. It looks gorgeous.
Using TacTiles are obviously awesome for making an area rug out of carpet tiles, but can you do an entire room?
Absolutely. Let me show you.
Let's do some wall-to-wall.
All right. Measure the distance from the wall to the last tile laid. Then take the tile to be placed and flip it upside down. Make your measurement on the back of the tile with your utility knife. Line a straight edge to your marks on the tile, cut along the straight edge, adhere a tac tile, flip over the carpet tile, and place it flush with the wall.
Now, Stephanie, I know there is something else new and exciting at iCarpetTiles.com. What is it?
We offer now a free service. It's called the Visualizer, and what it does, it allows you to see how carpet tiles will look in a room.
That's fantastic and free. I like that. So get on the website, iCarpetTiles.com, or call them today. I'm Kelly. She's Stephanie. Thanks for watching.